Process documentation is describing the ideal world, not the reality. It is very difficult to identify lack of controls without full population testing on data. And it's difficult to identify abnormalities and exceptional behavior. For in-depth understanding of digitized processes, new tools, new filters, new visualizations, and new methods are necessary. The PAFnow Audit Edition allows you to get maximized control effectiveness in business processes. It's all about assurance based on facts. With PAFnow, internal auditors can prepare audits more effective. To get process knowledge, cost, time, and efforts for interviews and walkthroughs can be drastically reduced. On top, PAFnow is very strong in visualizing exceptional pathways, which will lead to higher hit rates.